Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So today in this video we will be doing a clean, organize, and decorate with me video. So basically I'm going to start out by removing everything from each corner of the room, and then I'm going to begin to sweep out the corners. So I realized this room hadn't been really deep cleaned since my spring cleaning video, so that's why you see like a lot of stuff behind the sofa and in the corners. I really need to do a deep cleaning in here, so I'm happy I was able to do that. So I really didn't have a clear plan on how I wanted to redecorate the living room. I knew specifically that I wanted to move the mirror to the other side of the room, and in the corner where the mirror currently is, I wanted to do like a flower wall. I also didn't realize how much stuff I had stored behind that mirror. That mirror became like a temporary storage place for a lot of things. I try not to think too much about what might have been, How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy. So next I'm going to start working on my flower wall. The inspiration was the faux flower wall panels that I see on, I think they have them on IKEA. You can also get them on Amazon, but they were just too expensive for me. So I had the idea to use a flower backdrop with some fake ivory leaves and some curtain lights, and it really came out nice. I didn't think it was going to come out that nice, but it really did. And I'm going to show you some pictures at the end. So to hang the backdrop on the wall, I'm using a combination of double-sided tape from Dollar Tree, and I'm also using some packing tape. And as you can see, I'm kind of struggling a little bit to get it on and to make sure that it's straight, so I had my son help me with that. So hanging the grass wall backdrop took the longest amount of time because I kept having to remove it and then retape it to make sure that it was straight. And it still came out a little crooked, but you can't really tell in the video. So now I'm just going to start hanging the ivory. So now I'm going to start hanging the ivory on the wall, and I'm using some push pins with hooks that I got from Dollar Tree to hang these up. And these push really easily into the wall. And here I'm just showing you that the ivory has a little hole in it, and that's where I insert the push pin to hang it on the wall. So now that I'm done hanging the ivory, I'm going to hang the lights, and as you can see, the lights have a little hook on it that I'm just going to attach to the push pan. Might be easier just to let it go, cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you, I do it all night, you're my only lifeline. Okay, so now that I'm done with the faux grass wall, I'm gonna begin to clean and reorganize the room. Like I said earlier, I didn't really have a clear idea of what I really wanted to do, but for sure I wanted that faux grass wall, and I wanted to make a memorial wall for my daughter that passed away. So that's what you're gonna see me do on the left side of the wall. And then I'm just gonna begin to like play around with the furniture to see how I want it to go. You're gonna see that I'm gonna be standing around just thinking, because like I said, I wasn't really sure. Keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go, cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you, I do it all night, you're my only lifeline. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. And here are a few pictures of how that grass wall turned out. I really love how it turned out. It looks very 3D-ish. And I just really love it. This is going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.